You wake up. Anytime you sleep and you wake up, you find this ado ijama. You find it beside you. It's me that someone has done black magic on you. Someone has cast a bad spell. Someone is wishing you to die. Are you with me? So there are two ways to use it when you find this beside you in the morning.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Beats. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá.
If you wake up in the morning and you find this beside you, it means that someone has cast black magic on you. Your enemies, they are trying to do something bad against you. But there are two ways to use this. When you find this beside you in the morning, if you want to deal with that enemy, if you want to send her or send him to early grave, you are going to burn this and you drink it. But if you want to pity her or you want to pity him, when you throw this in the river, that enemy will never enjoy life again. It's not only this one. No. How to use these materials to disorganize your enemies. In Yoruba language, we call it agbele pota. We call it agbele pota. To send your enemy to early grave. This is spiritual power to protect yourself. You can do it for your husband. You can also do it for yourself. What you need is, this is ado ijama. If you know it, they are selling it in the market. I don't know or how can I call it? You see calabash or what? This is ado ijama. Ado ijama. Have you seen it? The second material is abamoda leaf, restoration leaf. I think you see it. So the third material is alligator pepper. Alligator pepper. Bunch of alligator pepper. So that is all you need. When you try this tip, if this material is in your body, if anyone is trying to do something bad against you, spiritually, you understand, you know, those enemies, those wicked people, they used to attack, most especially when you are sleeping. Are you with me? When they know that, yes, this person, hey, there's a time to attack him or attack her. If this thing is in your body, when they try you, when you wake up, anytime you sleep and you wake up, you find this ado ijama. You find it beside you. It's me that someone has done black magic on you. Someone has cast a bad spell. Someone is wishing you to die. Are you with me? So there are two ways to use it when you find this beside you in the morning. When you find this beside you in the morning. So there are two ways to use it. And believe me, the person will not survive it. If you want to pity the person, if you want to pity her or you want to pity him, you can throw it inside river. When she leave one hospital, is going back to that hospital because he is not going to enjoy life again. But when you burn it and you drink it, the person is going. You are sending him to or sending her to early grave when you drink it. So how to do it and how to use it? Hello everyone, Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiola, also known as Babewinje. If this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one that you want to watch today. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, you are free to call me on 070-3742-2552. Or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. So as you see from the title, today I want to explain how to use these three materials to disorganize your enemies. Whenever you use these materials, and if you sleep, anytime you sleep and you find this beside you, it means that someone has cast black magic on you. Someone has done black magic on you. Are you with me? So, and this is what you are going to do. If you find this beside you, you are going to burn it. If you want to punish the person, you burn it and you drink it. The person will not survive it. That your enemy. But if you find it, if you want to pity the person, you can throw it inside water. The person will not enjoy life again. Believe me. In Yoruba language, we call it agbelepota. It's very simple and very, very effective. So what you need is go to market and get this small calabash, small ado. We call it ado jama in Yoruba language. Do not cut it. Do not open anything. So you are going to place it in a local pot. Please, you must use local pot. And the second one is alligator pepper. You place it beside it. Then you are going to use this restoration leaf. Have you seen it? One that have 3 leaves like this. If you can't find this, don't go out there and cut this leaf 3, because you can't find this. You must use the one that have 3 hands, just like this one. Just like this one. Then you now use this to cover the materials in the pots, in the local pots. Are you with me? You use it to cover it. Then when you cover it, you are going to burn it. You burn it to a powder. Then you are going to grind the powder inside that pot, the one that's used to burn the material. Don't remove the material. You must grind it inside that pot. So around 12 a.m., before you sleep in the midnight, around 12 a.m., you now pour this powder in a white paper. You say your intention that if anyone is trying to do something bad against me, the person should not survive it. The person must die immediately. So when you say that, when you say your intention, you mention all those bad people. Do not mention anybody's name. Just say your intention that anyone that is trying to do something bad against me, the person must die immediately. Then after that, you are going to pour all this powder in your mouth. You can use water to use it. If you are the kind of person that use oats, like all this shinap load, so you can also use it to drink it. That's all. So when this is in your body, if anyone try to do something bad against you, anytime you sleep, this one that you burn with this material, you are going to find it beside you. Are you with me? If anyone is sending attack, or someone is trying to do something bad against you, this ado, we call it ado, the one that you burn with this materials, you will find this beside you when you wake up in the morning. So you are going to take this. Don't be afraid. You are going to take it. You can throw it inside river. The person will not enjoy life again. From one sickness to another, from one sickness to another, from one sickness to another. But if you want to send him or send her to early grave, you are going to burn this. You burn it and you drink it. You use water or you use hot to drink it. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. If you have any question to ask me concerning this, please feel free to comment under this comment section, and I'll get back to you by the grace of Almighty God. If you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop video like this, you'll be the first person to watch.
Àwọn tá fi ṣẹ́ mi náà, àwọn nìkan náà ń jẹ. Wọ́n fàyà kú Ọlọ́run ọba, ewé ń jẹ. Ẹni mọ̀nà ni mọ̀nà, ẹni tí ò lágàn kò lè mọye tán tágàn bó bá dọ̀jà ṣe ti gbọ́. Ẹni tí kò mọ ìwúra o, bó bá rí wúra àsọdànù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ewé ń jẹ.